Imagine never paying another cell phone bill again for life. What if you could get unlimited talk, text, and data absolutely free, month after month? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into how you can qualify for free cell phone service for life with unlimited everything, legally, safely, and easily. Let's get started. What is free cell phone service for life? Cell phone. This is a government-assisted program designed to help low-income individuals stay connected. Through initiatives like Lifeline and the Affordable Connectivity Program, ACP, you can get monthly cell phone service with unlimited everything, 100% free. Checkmark. These programs are funded by the federal government and available in all 50 U.S. states. Package. Many providers offer 1. Free smartphone. 2. Unlimited talk and text. 3. Unlimited or high-cap data. 4. Free hotspot in some cases. 5. No contract or credit check. Who is eligible? To get free cell phone service for life, you must meet one or more of the following criteria. Family. Man, woman, girl, boy. Income-based eligibility. Your household income must be at or below 135%, Lifeline, or 200%, ACP, of the federal poverty guidelines. Clipboard. Government program participation. If you're enrolled in any of these programs, you likely qualify. 1. SNAP, food stamps. 2. Medicaid. 3. Supplemental Security Income, SSI. 4. Federal Public Housing Assistance, Section 8. 5. Veterans Pension and Survivors Benefit. 6. WIC. 7. Free or reduced school lunch programs. Round pushpin proof is required. Provide documents like benefit award letters, income statements, or government ID. Top providers offering free unlimited plans. Here are the top companies offering free unlimited everything. Small Diamond. AirTalk wireless free smartphone plus unlimited talk, text, data. Devices include iPhone 7, Galaxy A series, and more. Small Diamond. Q-Link wireless truly unlimited data plus hotspot. Bring your own phone or get one for free. Small Diamond. Syntex wireless offers high-end devices like iPhone 8 and Galaxy S9 free plan with unlimited service. Small Diamond. SafeLink wireless run by TracFone and supported by Lifeline, ACP covers most U.S. states. Small Diamond. Assurance wireless backed by T-Mobile's network. Reliable coverage and data. Light bulb. Pro tip: always check availability in your zip code before applying. How to apply, step by step. Writing hand. Follow these steps to get started. Visit lifelinesupport.org or acpbenefit.org to see if you qualify. Go to the provider's website, AirTalk, Q-Link, etc. Provide personal info, proof of income, benefits, and ID. Usually takes 1 to 7 business days. It's shipped to your addressed mailbox. Then, just activate and enjoy free cell phone service for life. Benefits of free unlimited cell phone plans. Checkmark. No contracts, credit checks, or monthly bills. Checkmark. Helps with job hunting, healthcare access, and emergency communication. Checkmark. Great for seniors, students, and low-income families. Checkmark. Some include free international calling and hotspot data. Checkmark. Devices range from Androids to iPhones. Be aware of 1. Scams. Only apply through official providers or 1. Gov websites. 2. Annual recertification. You must confirm eligibility each year. 3. Deactivation risk. If you don't use the service for 30 days, it may be shut off. 4. Data caps. Some providers throttle data after a certain usage. Loudspeaker tip: use the phone at least once every 30 days to stay active. There you have it. Free phone service for life with unlimited everything is real, and it's saving millions of people hundreds of dollars every year. If you or someone you know could benefit, don't wait. Share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tech updates.